Welcome to my new series where I show you high protein recipes that don't suck. And today we're making off next level miso glazed salmon with a garlic bok choy, and it only took me 30 minutes to make. Exquisite. We'll start off by cutting our salmon into a crisscross pattern just like this. Then we'll season with salt and pepper before making the miso glaze. In a pan on low heat, add miso paste, mirin, sake, and sugar. Then whisk until combined just like this. Once the glaze is cooled down, brush a few tablespoons onto the salmon. Now air fry 400 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes. For the garlic bok choy, we'll start off by sauteing some garlic and a tablespoon of butter for a few minutes on medium-low heat. Then we'll add the bok choy and cook for 5 to 6 more minutes. Now the only thing left to do is plate the salmon over some rice, top with the garlic bok choy, and hit that follow for the next episode.